In today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful motivational animation using just stick figures and your voice. I'll show you how to do it in minutes using Canva. It's great for social media, projects, or your YouTube channel. Now let's get started. So guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go down to the bottom, create a blank video, okay? Once that's done, guys, you're going to add a page, okay? And then we're going to go over to Chat GPT. And I had Chat GPT to write me a motivation script using stick figures. My example was you can do it no more than 5 pages and no more than 3 lines per page, okay? So on page 1, this is what they have for me. Some days feel heavy, like the world's just too much. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to Canva, and I'm going to put this here on page 1. Okay. All right. I'm going to bring it up to the top. I'm going to make sure it's 40 as far as the font. Okay. I'm going to try to center it. All right, centered. Okay, then I'm going to go right back to ChatGPT and copy page 2. Okay. Go right back to Canva and paste it. Okay. Okay, and drag it to the top. Okay. 5 pages. Okay. Okay, guys. So once you have all this done, all 5 pages and all 5 scripts. Okay, guys. So once it's done, you're gonna go to elements on the left, and we're gonna type in stick figures. Okay. We're gonna click on graphics. And so we're going to match the sentence with the figure. So just find something on here that would show somebody having not the best day, okay? So I like this right here. I'm going to enlarge it, okay? So this is going to be my page 1. We want to make sure it's centered. Okay, so then I'm going to go on to page 2. And again, I'm going to match the sentence with something similar to a stick figure over here. So you may have to scroll down till you find something that you like. So I'm going to use this figure here. All right. Let me make sure he's centered. All right. Then I'm going to go to page 3 and find something similar. All right. Maybe I'll try to find something with him going up the steps. So I like this one right here. I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, guys, so once you have all your pages, your stick figures on your pages, we're going to go, I'm going to click on page 1, and then we're going to go upload because we're going to do voiceover, okay? We're going to record ourselves. So I'm basically going to read, some days feel heavy, like the world's just too much, okay? So I'm just going to click record. It'll do a countdown. Some days feel heavy, like the world's just too much. Click done, click save, and 1 for us, okay? So again, this is our personal touch for our motivational video, okay? I know some people might use, other voices, but we're going to use our personal voice, okay? Okay, so once that's done, guys, we're just going to listen to it, make sure it sounds pretty good. Okay, we're going to make sure we're going to reduce the time frame, okay? Then hit play. Some days feel heavy, like the world's just too much. Okay, so then we're going to go to page 2. Click on it. go back to record, and we're gonna click the record button, and all we're gonna do is just read our sentence at the top. All right. But every time you get back up, you're already stronger than before. Click done, save and exit. You'll see it download. So I'm going to rewind it to the beginning of page 2. Okay, so I'm reducing the time frame, the duration at the bottom. Click play. But every time you get back up, you're already stronger than before. Okay, guys, so once that's done, you have your recordings. I'm going to go right back to page 1, and we're just going to reduce this, okay? We're going to go to elements on the left side, and we're going to type in rectangle, okay? And I'm just going to reduce the size of this. And all we're doing, guys, is we're going to change the color, where we're going to drag it over this, and then we're going to change the color to white, so you won't see it, okay? All right, and we're going to do the same thing for the rest of the pages. Reduce the size. Go right back to rectangle. All right. Drag it over here. Reduce the size. Go to the top, edit, change it to white. Okay, you would do it for all the pages, guys. So, guys, once you have all that done, we're going to click on page 2, and we're going to animate it, okay? Click animate at the top, and I'm going to choose baseline for him, okay? Then I'm going to go to page 3. I'm going to click on the image itself, not the whole page, but the image itself. Click animate, and I'm going to click on white for him. You can use any animate that you want. I'm going to use pan for him. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to the top. We're going to add a transition, and we're going to do mix and match, okay? Apply between all the pages, okay? And then press play. Some days feel heavy, like the world just too much. But every time you get back up, you're already stronger than before. Step by step, even if it's slow, you're moving forward. You might not even see it yet, but you're almost there. You can do it. You were made for this. Okay, guys, so once it's done, you can click share in the right corner and just download it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, guys, now that I've showed you how to create this short motivational video using stick people and your own voice right from Canva, now you can share it with a friend, a loved one, or post it on social media to inspire someone's day. So, guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.